Hydrogen, helium, and lithium are flying towards a planet in a small, sparkling starship. They land in front of a futuristic laboratory building with a large sign on the roof. Ernest, Rutherford and James Chadwick Laboratory. As they step out of the ship, Lithium quickly puts on a shiny helmet.
Lithium, you look like a spaceship commander with that helmet. We're just going into a lab, not outer space.
You're laughing, but I need to be careful. You know how reactive I am with air. If anything goes wrong, it could get dangerous.
That's so typical of Lithium. Always cautious. But don't worry, we're safe here. Rutherford and Chadwick's lab is known for its thorough research.
Speaking of Rutherford, did you know he discovered the proton in 1917 while exploring the atomic nucleus? You could say he made me famous.
True, and that's why I'm here now. He showed that our nuclei are made of protons. And Chadwick later discovered the neutron, explaining why we're so different.
Exactly. Without neutrons, our nuclei wouldn't be so stable. It's fascinating how protons and neutrons work together to make us who we are.
Ernest Rutherford was a famous scientist from New Zealand, often called the father of nuclear physics. He made a groundbreaking discovery, the atomic nucleus. Rutherford conducted the famous gold foil experiment, where he fired tiny particles, alpha particles, at a thin sheet of gold. He observed that most particles passed through, but some were deflected. This showed that an atom is mostly empty space, with a small, dense, positively charged nucleus at its center. His discovery was a major milestone in understanding atomic structure and laid the foundation for the modern atomic model. James Chadwick was a British scientist who made a significant contribution to chemistry and physics. He discovered the neutron. Atoms are made of three types of particles: protons, positively charged; electrons, negatively charged; and neutrons, neutral. Chadwick found that neutrons are in the nucleus and have the same mass as protons but no electrical charge. This discovery helped explain why atoms are heavier than what could be accounted for by protons and electrons alone. His work was essential for understanding atoms and developing nuclear energy.
Wow!
One by one, the atoms enter the analysis chamber. On the lab screen, each atom is displayed in detail. A simple model appears on the screen, showing a nucleus with just one proton and an electron shell. The representation is clear and simple to help viewers understand the basic structure of an atom.
Hey, how do I look? Am I simple enough?
Helium and lithium can't help but laugh. They know they're just a bit more complex. The model shows a stable nucleus with 2 protons and 2 neutrons, surrounded by 2 electrons. Helium is a perfect example of stability. 2 protons and 2 neutrons work in harmony, making helium an inert gas. A more complex model appears. 3 protons and 3 neutrons form a relatively larger nucleus. The electron shell displays 3 electrons. Lithium is reactive because its nuclear structure and electron configuration allow for stronger interactions with its environment. That's why lithium is so cautious in the air.
See? Each of us is unique, thanks to the discoveries of Rutherford and Chadwick.
I'm glad we learned this. It helps me understand why I always have to be so careful.
Knowledge is key, and now that we're in the lab, we can explore even more secrets of our nuclei.
Thank you for taking the time to meet me and my friends. I hope we gave you some exciting insights into our atomic world. Stay curious. And remember, without us atoms, there would be nothing.
If you'd like to learn more about me and my friends, subscribe to this channel and stay tuned. There's so much more to discover.
See you next time.
Yours truly, Hydrogen.
Hey there friends, it's time to cheer. Join the party, let's keep it near. Got the vibe, we're feeling high. Hit the button, don't be shy. See that bell, don't let it rest. Stay updated, see the best. Every click, it fuels the fire. More we get, the higher flyer. Like and subscribe, make it count. Spread the love we melt. Thumbs up, share and buy. Join the tribe, live the ride. Tap that screen, make it seen. Show the world what we mean. Share the joy, don't let it end. Bringing fun to every friend. New content's popping every day. Miss it not, join the sway. Your clicks, they light the flame. Together we play the game. Like and subscribe, make it count. Spread the love we melt. Thumbs up, share and buy. Join the tribe, live the ride. New content's popping every day. Miss it not, join the sway. Your clicks, they light the flame. Together we play the game. Like and subscribe, make it count.